Alright, Mr. Rosner, this is the last of the trucks that I'm going to show you today. This is the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Now, between the AT4 and the 2019 Denali, I can talk about these two trucks all day long. I can shoot 30-minute videos on them and still miss where I'm trying to go with them. They're great, great trucks. I love them to death. With the AT4, we're going to have standard 2-inch lift from the factory. You still get your LED headlights as well as your LED fog lights. You get red vertical tow hooks up front. Now this one's a 5.3. You do get them in a 6.2 as well. This one's got the 18-inch wheels. You can get them in the 20-inch wheels as well. However, just for being able to show you what I was really trying to get at to show you, this is the one I chose. I got one, as a matter of fact, with the 6.2, but it's black. I know you didn't like black, so I didn't want to show you necessarily that one. So you still got your new aged bumpers. Both the Denali and the AT4 are going to have those chrome dual exhaust back here. Your drop down tailgate. Spray-in bed liner, signature AT4. Still have the multi-function tailgate right here. 6 different things it's going to do for you. And I already showed you on the other one, so not really a big point of showing you on both. You got the color matching bumpers on the AT4 just like you do on the Denali. Earlier I was talking to you about these lights on the back of your side mirrors. That's what they look like right there. These lights are great for seeing stuff out on the side that you may not have seen before. Here you go. That is an LED light coming at you. You can set them down one side. You can use both sides. You can use your right side. You can use your passenger side. It's completely up to you how you want to go. Completely up to you. The reason why I'm showing you the 5.3 is because this particular 5.3 actually has a heads-up display in it. A little bit more advanced than the Denali over there. Now the Denali has the capability of it. So the Denali has the capability of a heads-up display. But once you start getting into the 6.2 and the heads-up display, then you're talking a whole nother animal, and it's hard for me to keep you down low to where you want to be as far as pricing goes. So as far as this guy goes, lots and lots to say. I'm going to go ahead and cut this video so I can go ahead and send you the next video that shows all the rest of the stuff I'd love to tell you about, okay?